Today's lesson is about the swings, and this is done normally at the beginning of a class, a Qigong or a Tai Chi class. And you're going to start with your feet apart, so just slightly wider than hip width, not too much. So the knees are nice and soft into the floor. Just allow the chest to soften, and remember the cord from the top of your head, that connection to the sky and beyond, and the connection with the center of the earth under your feet. So you're supported by both. Now your hands are here on the Dantian, so just feel that before we start. And this is the part of your body that's going to move you side to side. And then this moves and the arms follow. So these are the swings side to side. And then the front, this is a very important part, the belt meridian and the waist. So the front of your waist is yin and the back is yang. So we want to keep this space as mobile and flexible as possible, which allows the chi and the energy to move up and down through the body, and it doesn't get stuck here in the center. So really just make sure this is nice and loose. So you're going to allow the body to move. Now what happens with the feet is as you move to the side, so you transfer your weight, as you move to your right, your left heel will come off the floor. And as you move to the left, your right heel will come off, but just a little bit. It's not a big thing. You're not making it happen. It just happens naturally. But when you do that, the knees stay facing the front. So we don't want to do this. We don't want to turn our leg and our feet in. We're just literally allowing the knees to go forward, and the waist turns and the arms follow. The head stays nice and still, and we want to feel that mobility in the waist. If you do these every day, you'll notice a big difference. These are fantastic, magical swings. So I'm going to show you from facing this away from the camera. So just to see, the heel comes off a little bit. And we're not going away, we're going into the leg. And at the same time, the back arm wakes up the kidneys. So there's a lot of energy in this. Beautiful. Head stays still. Keep going. Very good. And then just allow the body to come to the center. Come to a still place, bringing your hands back to the Dantian. You may want to bring your feet slightly closer so they're underneath your hips. And just gently close your eyes, or if you wish, just looking on the floor. And just notice how your body feels right now. And you can almost imagine that movement still continuing, but you're still, but allowing the movement in the waist. You're just imagining it. And then just allow your arms to come to the side. Gently open your eyes. And thank you very much.